Good day, guys. In this video, you'll be learning on how to use the Pythagoras theorem to find h, and also let's go ahead and find the area of the trapezium. Let's get right to it. Okay, so first of all, we see here that there's a trapezium. Now they want us to use the Pythagoras theorem to show that the value of h is equal to 15. Okay. Now if we take a look at it, guys, we know that this is 20 cm and all of this is 36 cm, right? So let's say we draw a line right here. Now we know that this side and this side are going to be equal, right, guys? So let's take a look at it. So if we take all of this, right, which is 36, and minus with this side right here, which is the other parallel side, we are going to get 16 centimeter, okay? And now since we know that both of this have the same values, we know that 2x is equal to 16 cm. Therefore x is equal to 16 over 2, which is equal to 8 cm, right, guys? Which is equal to 8 cm. Now since we know that this base is equal to 8, now let's go ahead and use our Pythagoras theorem to prove it. So we have a triangle that looks like this. Of course the drawing is not going to be that nice, guys. So we know that this side is 17 cm, which is the hypotenuse. We know the base is equal to 8 cm. Now let's go ahead and find the height. Okay, this is our right angle. Now, what do we know from the Pythagoras theorem, guys? We know that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, right? Where c is our hypotenuse. And how do we find the hypotenuse? It will always be opposite to the right angle. All right, guys? So what do we have here? We have 17 squared is equal to how much, guys? A squared, which is 8 squared, plus in this case h squared. Okay, it doesn't matter if you swap these two, the final answer is going to be the same. So 17 squared is 289. 289 is equal to 8 squared is 64 plus h squared, right, guys? Now moving 64 to the other side, we'll have 289 minus 64 will give us height square or h square, right? So 289 minus 64 is 225. 225 is equal to h square. Therefore, square root 225 is equal to the height or h, and we know that the square root of 225 is equal to 15. So we have proved that our height is equal to 15 centimeter. Now let's go a step above it, okay? So let's go ahead and find the area of this trapezium. So how do we find the area of the trapezium, guys? So sum of the parallel side, so P1 plus P2, right, multiplied by the height and divided by 2. Now, parallel side are this side and this side, right, the parallel side. So we have 36 plus 20 and multiplied by the height, which we just found now, it is 15, and all of it divided by 2. All right, guys. Now let's solve the bracket first. 36 plus 20 will give us 56 times 15 divided by 2. All right. Now if we take a look at it, we can simplify 56 with 2 since they are multiplying itself. 2 will change to 1. 56 will change to 28. Right, guys. Now 28 times 15 will give us what? So let's do some mental math here. So 280 plus 140, right? 28 times 10 is 280. 28 times 5 is 140. Add them all up, it's going to give us 420 centimeter square. All right, guys? And that is how we would solve this question. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, comment below that you did, so I will know that you understood this video. Until next time, guys, have a nice day.